2, 3, go.
After you've chewed it, you push food to the back of your mouth with your tongue. That's a conscious act using voluntary muscles. The rest of the process is automatic. The epiglottis closes off your trachea, the tube to your lungs. This stops food from going down the trachea. Instead, it moves down the esophagus toward your stomach. 2 layers of muscles surround the esophagus. When you swallow, they squeeze food downward toward your stomach. This steady contraction and relaxation is called peristalsis. It occurs throughout your digestive system. Soon the food reaches your stomach. So far, very little of the digestive process has taken place, but now much more begins to happen. Like the esophagus, your stomach is wrapped in layers of muscles, but there are 3 layers of muscle instead of 2. They also contract in a peristaltic rhythm. The 3 layers contract in waves. This mixes the food with liquids that your stomach produces. These are gastric juices, secreted by microscopic glands that line the inner wall of your stomach. Stomach glands secrete 2 digestive substances. Cells called chief cells secrete an inactive enzyme, pepsinogen. Hydrochloric acid is secreted by parietal cells. The acid converts pepsinogen into pepsin, an active enzyme. Pepsin breaks down complex protein molecules into simpler chemical parts. But very little happens here to carbohydrates or fats. Their breakdown will take place farther down the line in your small intestine.
The digestive system. We all love to eat, don't we? Hello, you have reached the digestive system. Can I help you? Yes, please. What is the digestive system? When you eat food, it goes into your digestive system. Your digestive system is responsible for converting the food we eat into energy for our bodies to use. It's like petrol being put into your car. Thank you very much. But what is the digestive system made of? The digestive system includes mouth, esophagus, liver, stomach, gallbladder, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, and the rectum. Digestion, or the breaking down of food into small molecules that will be absorbed into your bloodstream, begins when you put food into your mouth. Your teeth help to break the food apart, saliva helps to soften the food, and your tongue helps to push the food into your throat and down into your esophagus, which is a soft tube that is connected to your stomach. The stomach, your little tummy, is a sac. It receives the food from the esophagus. Your stomach is located just below your heart. The stomach makes digestive juices, which include the acids and the enzymes that help to break down food into a thick liquid or paste. Your stomach is a muscular organ that is able to move in order to mix the food with the digestive juices. Food usually remains in the stomach for about a couple of hours. From the stomach, the mashed up food moves into the soft long tube known as the small intestine, where most of the digestion takes place. The liver makes a yellowish green fluid called the bile. Bile and the digestive enzymes from the pancreas help release the nutrients so they can be absorbed and circulated around your body in the bloodstream. The blood brings the fats, proteins, vitamins and carbohydrates, including the sugars, to the liver, which helps make them into building blocks that the body needs to work and grow. The body does not digest all the food we eat. The undigested food leaves the small intestine and then enters the large intestine. The large intestine is about 5 feet long, so it is shorter than the small intestine, which is about 25 feet long. But I guess it's called the large intestine because it is thicker or wider than the small intestine. The undigested food enters the large intestine in a liquidy paste. In the large intestine, water is removed from the liquid paste, turning what is left into solid waste. The solid waste then collects in the rectum at the end of the large intestine. This solid waste will finally leave the body through an opening called the anus. And this is what happens when you poop. Keep your digestive system in good shape by eating lots and lots of healthy foods, like a lot of fruits and a lot of vegetables. Greasy or fatty foods like fast food can be difficult to digest, so try to eat these foods in moderation. And don't forget, you must drink lots and lots of water. When you take care of your digestive system, it will do you right.